Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2022 Dodge Charger? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Engine compartment fuse box. The underhood fuses are housed in the Power Distribution Center (PDC), providing easy access for maintenance. These blade-style fuses protect essential electrical components such as the headlights, cooling fan, ABS, and other critical systems. Rear interior fuse box. The rear interior fuse box is located inside the trunk on the driver's side, protecting rear electrical components. It houses blade-style fuses and relays for systems like the rear defroster, power outlets, and audio amplifier. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.